All right, welcome to the Bitcoin Radio Network. I am Crypto Famous, and today we've got an awesome show lined up for you. We're going to be talking about mining cryptocurrency scam 2018. We're also going to be recapping on yesterday's show about 6 tools used by the hackers to steal cryptocurrency and how to protect your wallet. We're going to be covering that all today, so stick with me. We're going to be right back after this. All right, welcome back, and we're just trying a few different new production styles with you guys. This is Crypto Famous, in the flesh, right here in the studios, live. We got a great show lined up for you guys. You want to stick around? Why? Because it's BTC Tuesday, and everybody's going to be wanting to know a little bit more about that and what we're actually going to be doing in the future. We're also going to be touching base on recapping yesterday. When we were talking about keeping your wallet safe, man. Security is my #1 feature in cryptocurrency, and a lot of people have some great comments that we were talking about, and we're going to talk about them. And I love how you guys put the names down in the comment section for the interviews. That was excellent, guys. True bosses right there. So thumbs up on that to each and every one of you bosses that put somebody down as to be interviewed. Now, we made a list of all of them. We'll be contacting them in the very near future, and we'll do our best to get each and every one of them on the network here, so that you guys can call in, ask questions, and do exactly what this network was designed to do. So with that being said, let's jump into our comment generator here. And of course, Georgie is always first. If you guys want to get your name listed first, you got to hit that notification bell. And as soon as we upload this video, then you can get over there and get that comment on first, and you will be listed first. Big ups here for being a boss every day and commenting. Georgie, we appreciate it. Let's go to the next one. Vladimir, all right, great video. Thanks for doing this for us. You're more than welcome. Our team does work very hard every day just for you guys, and we've got a lot in store. Just wait till the Crypto Famous show comes up. Let me see what else that is, and if you can do an interview with Rob Gigalone or anyone from Zencash team, that would be great. All right, so Zencash, we'll get some people over from Zencash for you, and we'll make that happen. All right, next one here, Neo. All right, nice video. How about an interview with Trevon James or Craig Grant? I think that would be absolutely astronomical for the network here. If we could get either one of them guys to come on and do an interview, that would be excellent. We could find out exactly what's going on without any FUD or anything like that, and to see what happened. You know, I think it'd be a great interview for either one of them. I might reach out to them guys and see what we can do. So that's our comment generators. Thanks guys for participating in that. You guys are all bosses. I wish we had more time to include each and every one of them on there. However, I want you guys to subscribe to my channel, Crypto Famous. We're going to build this channel up. All right, the link is in the description below. All right, we're going to build this channel up and start getting subscribers over there. Once we get enough subscribers, then I'll unleash the Crypto Famous show, which is going to be action-packed, guys. I mean, we're going to be on the streets doing live interviews, introducing Bitcoin and cryptocurrency to the world down in Florida here in the very near future. Also, we've been doing a lot with a lot going on in cryptocurrency in the blockchain events across the world. Looks like we're scheduled to be in China. We're also going to be in Malta. And what was the other one? China, Malta. There's an what is it? Dubai. That's what it is. Dubai. So we're going to go out. Definitely going to go to the Dubai and the Malta and China, we're in discussions with them right now. So we'll be keeping you guys up to date with that. And when we go out to these events, it's going to be awesome because you guys are going to be able to get that live stream of them events going on while it's happening. We will live stream them. We will be the media hosting that live stream for the conferences, and I will host my show live at the conference and do some really good interviews from the people that are out there as well. So that's something to look forward to as well. Hey guys, don't forget about crypto coffee. We haven't sold one bag of crypto coffee. I can't believe it. I mean, everybody likes coffee. You guys have got to get a bag of crypto coffee. The link is in the description below. I guarantee you're going to like it, and you'll be hooked on it. I mean, excellent coffee. So definitely check that out. Help support us and a small community in Colombia. So not only does that, but these beans actually come, and they're the finest beans coffee can get. It's like a T1, T2, T3, and these are the finest bean that comes out of Colombia. Rated #1. I mean, all over airports, all over Colombia in South America are now taking the crypto coffee and putting it into the airports. So that's awesome updated news. So we want you guys, the community, and out there to support us too. You guys are the crypto community. So we have crypto coffee down there in the link below. Check it out. It's definitely going to be worthwhile. Like I said, you support us and you support a small community in Colombia, which is more than, that means more to us than the little purchase on the bag. I mean, what can $6 do for a broadcast, right? Just to be honest with you. So, and before you send that over, make sure you got some audio with that over there. So we've got some new productions that we're working on here, and we're just going fly off of the cut. So everything is live here at the broadcast. I know that a lot of you YouTubers, we have to upload it right now because when we did start, we had all this great bumper music that we used in our regular radio stations in America, and YouTube didn't like that with the licensing, so they gave us a little strike, and we got to wait a small period of time. But we will be back live, and I can't wait to get back live on that network as well. It's going to be fun and exciting, and by that time the Crypto Famous show will be up and running, and LVX's platform will be up. We're just finishing up that white paper, like I said, and let me tell you, this white paper, we have spent some time on this and revamped it a couple times, and we're really going through it so that we know that everything we put down is going to be the most accurate information about our exchange and our platform. And somebody says, you dog exchanges out there in the comments. I don't dog the exchanges. I dog the security that they put on there. A lot of guys only do like audits once a year or maybe once every quarter, when I believe audits should be done, monthly, and if not bi-weekly. It is a little expensive to get an audit done, but look, if you're making $1 billion, hey, there's no excuse why you can't keep the security up on the exchange for yours and mine investments. And that's what my whole take is on that. So yeah, I'm hard on these exchanges, and I'm also going to be hard on YouTubers that are promoting scam sites and getting paid for it, and ICOs that are out there. So that's just a warning to all you YouTubers. My team is coming after you guys because in my eyes, I believe you're the problem in cryptocurrency, along with the platforms that they're pushing these scams. And you're putting a bad taste in cryptocurrency in people's mouth that expect to come into this game and win, and you're promoting something that is a scam, and they're going to lose their money. They might make some money here, but somebody along the way is going to get ripped off. We're going to expose that on the Crypto Famous show, and it's going to be awesome. So get ready. Either tighten up your game out there in YouTube, because we are locked and loaded, and with tons of info to cover on. It's going to be so exciting. You guys are going to love it. I can't wait to jump into that as well. And so that's what's going on here in a nutshell. Great things happening. We're going to be at some of the biggest conferences in the world. And so you guys get ready. All right, because when we get back from this little clip here, we're going to jump right into the news. This is Crypto Famous. All right, we're back that quick. And this is the new production. We're going to put a little music touch to that as well, so it's not just a dead silence there. Switch over. But we're going to do that here probably this evening or something like that. We're very busy, man. We're right in the middle of doing a wallet. We've got a lot going on. We're developing an exchange and getting all lined up for that to fire on all cylinders come next Monday. So the team is action-packed and being slammed right now. And everybody says, well, you know what, Famous, why isn't your social media department higher than what it is right now? Because we're a startup. We just started in May. I've been building the network since probably, June of last year. Putting everything together for this network. We launched it in May. We've had problems along the way, and that's any platform. When you come out, it's beta testing time, and we went through them stages. We're running pretty smooth now, and we're only improving daily on the productions, and we haven't even started. Just wait till I actually get into the production studio and start doing the work that I know how to do and producing these videos. You guys are going to be amazed. We're going to have some awesome commercials that we're producing. And we don't just throw something together in a day or two. We stick our time into it so that when we come out looking right for you guys and for cryptocurrency. And I think that's important. If we're dealing with the best currency on the planet that's worth more than gold, silver, dollars, yen, anything out there, then damn well we better be looking at the best productions out there for us. We better be driving the best cars. We better be on the uppity up. Why? Because we lead the industry in technology around the world, and they are adapting to the blockchain. We're going to be talking a lot about that today. And check it out. Mining cryptocurrency scam 2018. Don't forget, we're going to jump into that with the news as we jump into this now. All right, we got 6 tools that used by hackers to steal cryptocurrency to protect and how to protect your wallet. Now we covered this yesterday, and we got into briefly talking about the problem that already mentioned bleeping computer portholes that work improving computer literacy, and writes about the importance of following at least some of the basic rules in order to ensure a sufficient level of protection. All right, now most technical support problems lie not with the computer, but with the fact that the user does not know the basic concepts of the underlying issues of computing. These principles include hardware, files, folders, operating systems, internet, and applications. The same point of view is shared by many cryptocurrency experts. One of them, an investor and entrepreneur, places his emphasis on the individual responsibility for users dedicated the Hacker Moon blog. Yes, you're in control of your own assets, but the price to pay is that you're in charge of your own security. And this is kind of like where we left off yesterday at the end of the show. And these are very often exposed. I mean, in everyday cryptocurrency, it always comes down to security. And without knowing, and I'm always amazed to see around how many people, even tech-savvy ones, don't take basic security measures. So many people just come into it and just, get the do. I trust Binance, or I trust this exchange, or I trust that exchange, and then millions of dollars the next day are gone. Woo! Well, according to Lex, the Find Tech Strategy Director, anonymous study, every year thousands of people become victims of cloned sites. All right, pay attention to this, guys. They become victims of cloned sites. You have to be very careful that you're not getting onto some ICO that has been cloned. It looks exactly like the real platform. and you go on, you register, you load up, you drop your BTC, poof, it's gone. There's victims. I mean, last year it was full of it. I mean, it had to be the year's scams last year. This year it was the ICO scam last year. This year it's the security scam, and I believe in the latter part of this year it's going to be the wallet scam. That's my predictions. But anyways, so they clone these sites in order and phishing voluntary and sending fraudsters 200 million in cryptocurrency, which is never returned. I mean, once it's gone, it's gone. And that's where that protection comes into. You don't have the FDIC here to protect your money, okay? You're on your own. So what does that mean? That means you need to pay attention to Famous right now, because I'm going to teach you how to protect these wallets. All right, now hackers that are assaulting crypto wallets use the main vulnerability in the system, the human intuition and ignorance. Let's see how they do it and how one can protect their own funds. All right, there's been 250 million potential victims. All right, I don't know about you, but 250 million potential victims. That's a hell of a lot of people that have just about been ripped off. Okay, the study conducted by the American company Foley and Lander showed that 71% of large cryptocurrency traders and investors attribute theft to the cryptocurrencies to the strongest danger that negatively affects the market. All right, 31% of the respondents rate that the hackers' activity threat to the global cryptocurrency industry as very high. All right, experts from Hacker Moon, all right, Hacker Noon, that's HACKERNOON, analyzed the data about hacking attacks for 2017, which can be basically divided into three large segments. All right, the attacks on the blockchain, the cryptocurrency exchanges and ICOs, the distribution of software and hidden mining. We're going to talk about that in mining cryptocurrency scam in 2018. All right, and the attacks directed at users' wallets. You see the big three categories that are right there? Now we're going to hit one, then we're going to hit the next, and we're going to hit the next. Why? Because this is how it goes down, people. Once you beef up one security, the next one's going to come in. All right, surprisingly, the article of the Smart Hacking Tricks was published by Hacker Noon and didn't appear to get much popularity, and the warnings seem to be obvious to ordinary cryptocurrencies. Users must be repeated again and again, as the number of cryptocurrency holders is expected to reach 200 million by 2024, according to RT. All right, now, according to the research performed by ING Bank VNV and IPSOS, which did not consider East Asia in the study, so they were just left out of it. And East Asia there's a lot of, look at what's happening in East Asia. I mean, geez, you had two of the biggest South Korean exchanges get hacked, and in Japan. So there you go. There's your Eastern. That they weren't included in this, but about 9% of the Europeans and 8% of the U.S. residents own cryptocurrencies, with 25% of the population planning to buy digital assets in the near future. Thus, almost 250 million potential victims could fall into the field of hacking activity. Apps on Google Play and App Store. Tips: don't get carried away installing mobile programs without much need, okay? Add two-factor authentication identification to all applications on the smartphone. And be sure to check the links. All right, this is, a lot of people just set up the two-factor on the phone and stuff, but you got to be sure to check the links to the applications on the official site of the project. That's what makes them secure for the two-factor. All right, now, victims of hacking are most often smartphone owners with Android operating systems, okay, which does not use two-factor authentication. This requires not only a password and a username, but also something that users has on them, an i.e. a piece of information only they might know or have on hand immediately, such as a physical token. The thing is that Google Android's open operating system makes it more open to viruses and therefore less safe, less safer than the iPhone, according to Forbes. Hackers add applications on the behalf of certain cryptocurrency resources to the Google Play Store. When the application is launched, the user enters the sensitive data to access their accounts and thereby gives hackers access to it. One of the most famous targets of the hacking attacks of this type were the traders of the American cryptocurrency exchange Poloniex, which downloaded mobile applications and posted by hackers on Google Play pretending to be the mobile gateway of the popular crypto exchange. The Poloniex team didn't develop applications for the Android, and its site doesn't have links to any Android or any mobile apps, according to the Luska Stelfranco, a malware analyst at ESET. Now, 5,500 traders that have been impacted by the malware before the software was removed from Google Play. So you see, people, we have to be on top of our game. Users of the iOS device, in turn, more often download the App Store applications with hidden Apple with hidden miners on them. This is why it's very important with the cryptocurrency mining scam of 2018. We're going to get into more of that right away. When we get back, we're covering today's news. That's yesterday's recap. I'm Crypto Famous. Y'all stay classy. I'll be right back.
ShareDrop is the first and only airdrop channel to deliver over 90% more value to its audience with the referral tokens it collects, otherwise kept by competing airdrop channels, putting more money in the pockets of users and helping good blockchain projects succeed is our mission. Visit sharedrops.io to learn more. That's sharedrops with an S.io.
BRN, all systems ready.
Bitcoin activated. Blockchain activated. Ethereum activated. Litecoin activated.
All systems ready for launch.
3, 2, 1.
You're listening to the Bitcoin Radio Network, #1 in cryptocurrency.
All right, welcome back. Quick break there. It's not too bad. We're going to have some video commercials here coming up within the next week or so. We're really busy on some developments right now, guys, so you got to bear with us. I do promise to deliver, and I will deliver. Just give us some time. We're really busting balls back here to get everything done on a daily basis. And today, I don't know if you noticed, but if you're at the BitcoinRadioNetwork.io, I hacked my site again, and I jacked up the news and had to reset it. So if you notice that over there, I do apologize for it, but that's the way it goes. So, all right, we're checking this out now. Mining Cryptocurrency Scam 2018, live here on the Bitcoin Radio Network with your favorite host, Crypto Famous. Steam. All right, the game. We used to play Steam all the time, man, when we were younger. So Steam, game pulled from store after allegations of cryptocurrency mining. What's going on there? There's been an unfortunate increase in the quality of the legitimate games on Steam. Last September, the value removed almost 200 fake games from Silicon Echo Studios, cheaply made games that developers made to cut quick profit by taking advantage of the Steam Direct program and the trading card system. All right, the latest title to come under fire, however, reported had more of a nefarious scheme in mind, turning players' computers into cryptocurrency miners. Can you believe this? All right, I could believe anything in crypto. That's why I love cryptocurrency, guys, because, man, this shit gets real every single day, man. I'm shaking my head every day at the scams that these guys come up with to do this. I mean, it just blows my mind. I mean, can't people just be good people? What type of parents do you have? You know, geez Louise, I got to put it back on the parents because people just don't grow up and be scammers. You know, how did you raise your children? Make sure you guys out there are raising your children good so they don't grow up to be these type of people. There's enough money to be made in cryptocurrency without scamming somebody's video game mining and stuff. Anyways, let's continue and see what happened here. The game is called Abstraction. What is it? Abstractism, which was not the only infiltrated players' computers with mining software, but also dubbed them through falsified items on the Steam marketplace. Suckers got them, didn't they? But not long after these allegations started circulating, it has been taken off of Steam. So you'll no longer get that opportunity to do over there. See, now that security has tightened up. It only takes one hack before the security's tightened up. And unfortunately, we have to go through this, and we're vulnerable if we're involved with these platforms because our information is getting leaked out. And that sucks, man. You know, so my job is going to be to do my best to get you this guy's information so that you can make quality decisions while you're making your trades and investments and withdrawals as well as that is. So, all right, let's go to the next one, huh? I like this one here. All right, so cryptocurrency payments to be accepted at cinemas in Thailand. Can you believe this, guys? This is why the Bitcoin Radio Network rocks every single day, because we are exposing to the world, especially America, the government. Look, I've got the Puerto Rican government watching our videos. The Senate watches this broadcast. So big ups to the Senate over there in Puerto Rico. We love you guys. You work hard. Let's just do the right thing for crypto. And we want the Americans to start watching this, the Senate, and getting involved so that they can see what is going on in crypto. It's not just drugs, it's not just guns and money laundering. This is a informational, technical highway being built that really frees the individuals so that they can use their cryptocurrency and be in control of that cryptocurrency. And what do we call you? We call you bosses here at the network, because that's what you are when you're in control of your own stuff and you don't need anybody over there telling you what to do. You're a Media 1-3 boss, and that's just the way that is. It's the way it's going to be. And I know bosses always stay in control. So, if you're a true boss, stay in control of your cryptocurrency. And let's dig into this. Cryptocurrency payments are to be integrated at the chain of movie theaters across Thailand, and in a move that will keep you on the edge of your seats. Major cineplexes will be permitting payments in crypto across the cinemas in Thailand. Now, once this takes place in Thailand, other countries, and look, the movie industry is going to jump on this very quick. They'll figure the blockchain out. They'll get a development company. They'll put it together. And before you know it, all the cinemas are going to be on this because they're going to see an increase in revenue that may not have been there at one time, especially in foreign countries, because look, Venezuela's not doing too shabby right now, I would say. So their value of their currency in that country is down. However, if you're using Bitcoin or other currencies in cryptocurrency, you're on a different playing field than you are with that nation's financial instrument. which puts you bosses back in control. All right, so I love it. The Thai crypto scene has been languishing a little, given that the move to the crackdown on the ICO projects across the kingdom and the new crypto regulations from the Thai SEC earlier this year. But this new move by major Cineplex is very encouraging. All right, cryptocurrency payments for popcorn and tickets. One of the major grips from the mainstream in regards to the crypto is the lack of options to spend the BTC and other coins. However, if you've been listening to this broadcast, you know New York Coin right now probably leads the industry on a usable coin. I think it has over 30 to 40 stores that are already currently signed up worldwide accepting New York Coin as currency. That's why they're a partner of ours here. That's why you hear their commercials. That's why you always hear Crypto Famous say, go buy some New York Coin. Bitcoin goes up, that New York Coin will go up a couple, 200-300 Satoshis. Booyah, baby, you're going to make a lot of money with it, okay? You can't go wrong with New York Coin. I sat down, I ate a steak dinner with it, bought some beers, paid for everything in a bar, in a pub in New York City during Consensus. So that goes to show you that it is. I own 14 million New York Coin right now. I think it's rated right around, I don't know, $700-800. So you can go get yourself 15 million coins for under $1,000, and if it hits 200-300 Satoshis, you really crack in some good money. And it's usable. It's a damn good usable. It's 5 times faster than the Lightning coin. So, I mean, it is fast. When I did the transaction, it took about 3 seconds for the transaction to take place. And once it took place, it took about 30 seconds to get 18 confirmations that the coin was already delivered and confirmed. So fast, 30 seconds, boom, done. They got their money, everybody was happy, we got our goods, we left. You could buy clothes, shoes, everything. Check out New York Coin, guys. I'm not playing around. I wouldn't bring you some bogus idea. New York Coin is a very unique fork in the Bitcoin. You guys will love it. It's fast. It's awesome. That's what everybody wants in crypto, and they want something they can use. All right. Now the mainstream in regards to the crypto, the lack of options to spend the BTC and other coins, the only way crypto will become approved in the mainstream society if crypto owners can use their coins, such as purchases, everyday things, such as movie tickets, gasoline, things like that. And that's why I see a big move into the credit card department, because a lot of people are trying to figure out, why can't Europe and all these other countries use it, but America can't? You know, America's got the tight squeeze down. No, America's just got a funky system over here. And to use that, the verification goes through the bank, and it doesn't, and I guess Visa doesn't warranty it or something. So there's a conflict of interest with the bank and Visa in the middle of it with cryptocurrency. So they're just trying to be boneheads. But if you live in another country, or you can set up a residence in Malta very easy for a cheap amount of money, and then you can have your card sent there and then have it forwarded over to here, and you can get yourself a 10x, or you can get yourself any kind of coin card that out there. But if you're in America, I think we have, there's one out here that you can use currently right now. All right, the news has just been announced that the cryptocurrency payments will be accepted at the cinemas owned by major Cineplex, which is one of the biggest companies of its kind in Thailand, and you'll be able to use the cryptocurrencies to purchase the cinema tickets, movies, popcorn, snacks, anything else like that. A partnership has been struck by the major Cineplex with a Swiss payment firm, Rapids Pay. That's R-A-P-I-D-Z Pay. You might want to go invest into some of that company, or take a look at it and see if it's good for your investment portfolio. Who are going to build a digital payment ecosystem to facilitate the payments. All right, they're not the first ones to do this, but if it's going to be in Thailand and it's going to be a big move, it could be a profitable gain for you to invest into something like that. You have to check it out for your own. Over the past couple months in Thailand, it's been implemented that the new regulations for the cryptocurrency industry that accumulated with the Thai Securities and Exchange Commission now accepting license applications. That's great news for them over there. Now, the news was recently circulated that the Thai Bond Market Association, the TBM, were primarily planning to launch a blockchain-powered solution that was built using smart contracts. You see, just like I told you 2 weeks ago, guys, all these countries are going to jump on, and that's why I want you guys to see it. That's why you go tell your family, you guys got to watch Famous. Famous is dropping down the news nobody else is out there covering. Everybody wants to put a green screen behind them and throw up CoinMarketCap and talk about everything that's green and red when we can just about open, CoinMarketCap and spit on any one of them coins and they're just about all going to be red. So what's the enjoyment into that? You know what I mean? So, let's get with this and let's start talking about real news that matters. And more adoption is going to take place in the general public, in your societies, when they see the rest of the world and other governments that we expose here in the news daily adopting to this blockchain technology, cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, things like this, right? You got me? So the more they see it, the more they hear it, the more they're going to want to get involved, because it is the latest technology that is going to boom. And when it does, baby, there's going to be a lot of us that are making tons of money, and there's going to be a lot of people out there that wish they would have gotten involved with it. That's why it's important to share this video share it, guys. It takes 2 seconds to hit the share button. Put it on your Twitter, your Facebook, your LinkedIn, wherever you're watching this from, and share the information with your communities out there. Not only, it doesn't financially help us one bit. We don't profit from you sharing it. We don't profit from likes. We don't profit from any of that. It just builds this community so that the YouTube engine searcher can pick these videos up, and this community can grow and the truth can be out there, and crypto can know that they have a good solid place. They can come and get their news daily. You'll be interacting with this. It's awesome, guys. This is what we built this for and what we work hard every day. All right, with this in mind, the new move by the major Cineplex and Thai crypto scene is now moving forward nicely. Major Cineplex working with Rapids Pay. The partnership among Major Cineplex and Rapids Pay is very interesting and could spark a change in the philosophy towards cryptocurrency payments and industries in general across Thailand. And if you want my opinion, I think these guys could start a huge fireball and it just spread across the world in the cinemas, and now people can see that, look, this transactions can take place, this is viable, and I don't have to worry about it. It's safe because it's the blockchain, baby. All right, let's go to the next one here. All right, let's see, there we go. Bitcoin and cryptocurrency market bull run in the offing. All right, so this is where we're looking at. We're about to hit that bull run, guys. I've been telling you for a little bit. I know everybody's saying, what the hell are you talking about, Famous? Did you see the market today? Yes, it's slammed all the way down. We're not doing too good. We're not looking too pretty, but that's just the way it goes. So, yeah, we just have to take it for what it is. You're going to have this fluctuation. Even if you go look at last year's charts when you seen it go from 1,000 to 20,000, go look in the charts, people. It had big dips that came down, even $1,000, but climb back to $3,000. So don't lose your confidence in your BTC. It is the driving force behind all the cryptocurrencies, and we can see that when BTC is down, everything else is down in the red. Right now, currently. So not a fun place to be, but a great opportunity to buy. We'll talk about that when I get back. Don't go nowhere. It's only a short break. I'm Famous. I'll be back.
A question for you. Do you know what is in the air you're breathing? Do you know what chemicals are placed in the water you drink? Would you like to combat these intrusions? I'm not just talking toxins. I'm talking about chemicals that are harmful. Maybe now you understand why you feel tired so much. Change your life with Life Change Tea. Cleanse from toxins and chemicals and lose weight. Receive energy. There is no better investment than your body. Log on to getthetea.com. That's getthetea.com. Or you can call us at 928-308-0408. That's 928-308-0408. Friendly operators will take your order and answer your questions. Be set free and live better. GetTheTea.com.
Let's try something different.
Join BNN for the 6 o'clock news with Crypto Famous Monday through Friday, 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. Famous will keep you up to date with live breaking news as it happens. Also, live interviews from the leading platforms in cryptocurrency. A Media 1-3 production, exclusively on BRN, the Bitcoin Radio Network.
All right, welcome back. Welcome back. Crypto Famous. All right, let's jump into this bull article real quick. We'll hit the BTC giveaway after we bust through some news. We got a lot of news to cover, and that's what we do here on BNN. It's a Bitcoin News Network. We got to get the news out. You guys that want to subscribe to the Crypto Famous channel down there, I want each and every one of you guys to do that. Because as soon as I see enough subscribers, then I will launch, because this is going to be an exciting show for you guys. Very interactive, very learning, very power-packed. I mean, we're going to be transferring screens, different. This new studio is just about finished. That's what we're really waiting for. And what we're doing is getting some things ready in my house and getting it all set up so it doesn't interfere with the rest of my life, and it can kind of stay permanent there, and I can do my show from the house. You guys are going to love it, and we'll be out there on the streets doing interviews, and with the interviews from people all over the world. We'll be doing cryptocurrency. So much going on. You guys are going to freak out when you see it. All right, in the wake of the latest price of depreciation of leading the cryptocurrencies such as the Bitcoin, many crypto pundits and experts are trying to come up with this practical explanations on the sudden price movement being witnessed in the market. Like, what the hell just happened? All right, some analysts are leaning towards a short squeeze argument, while others argue that the rumors going around are on the imminent of the BTC and the ETF pronouncement from the SEC. Let me just tell you, I don't really think the SEC really even matters in crypto. Did it matter last year? Nope. But there's so much talking, conversation around this that you guys are putting the wrong emphasis into this. If they come out and they say, yes, that's great, it's not going to happen overnight. We'll see a little spike because of the good news. That's how crypto is. But let's not be overzealous about what's going to go on with this ETF and the decision from the SEC. All right, now it's been the driving force behind the new market hype for the last, month or so. Now for the Bitcoin's price, first it was exchanging at $6,000 and then $6,000 US a few months ago. And then a number one digital coin skyrocketed to the exchange at $8,000 US a few weeks ago. Today, Bitcoin is trading at about 8,170, and I think currently, what is the current price here? Without look, I think it's 7,752. I just want to check my little phone app here real quick and just make sure. I see my ticker right there, 7,769 right now currently, but at the time of the writing of this article, it was 8,176 US dollars per coin. Even after the ETF rejection by the SEC, a huge difference from its initial value from 5,849 US dollars in June. All right, even though the price has shaken a bit after the SEC threw BTC, the ETF case file in the air, currently Bitcoin is on an upward trajectory and back on the winning methods once again. All right, so never fear, it's going to come back, babe. Don't worry, we're going to have some corrections. We're going to try. We got them over there trying to short it, push it down. But you know what? You can't short Bitcoin forever. Bitcoin going to come back and bite you. Just watch. Trust me now. Believe me now. And then you'll see later. All right, in the last month, the market has witnessed the price of the volatile currency rising by 33% and appreciating by 20% within the last few days. All right. However, the question many investors are inquiring is the present value increase foretell the start of another market rally for Bitcoin and other major virtual currencies. If you're watching this and you're thinking about developing a platform, I think you should have started about a year ago so that you could be ready to come out. Now, our team, AIM Blockchain Solutions, well, we're amazing. We can put a whole exchange and platform together within a couple months and have it up and running because the programmers are some of the best in cryptocurrency, and we stand behind that 100%. We'll be featuring their technology and programming skills out at the Malta blockchain over in Dubai as well, and China as well. So you're going to make sure that you check that out, and you'll be able to check that out because you say, hey, Famous, I can't go over there, I'm broke. All right, I understand that, but you can watch it live here on the Bitcoin Radio Network, and you can tell your friends and family about it. So that's the cool part as well. And we're going to be doing interviews with these guys. You guys got these interviews coming up, and they're going to start rolling. And once they start popping, it's going to be a daily thing with interviews coming in. All right, now, the price surge case for Bitcoin. All right, the Bitcoins are standing on the ground and claiming a number one ranked digital currency. Price surge could be the starting point of a bull run that is similar to the one that we observed in the latter quarter of last year when digital currency value hiked almost up to $20,000. And everybody's been telling you this, and I know you hear it across the thing, and I don't want to spread no FUD. Hold that BTC. You're going to make more off of the BTC than you could on any other altcoin out there currently. However, it is a good time to buy in the red and sell in the green. That's the key to success. Don't FOMO and sell. I've got coins I'm still holding, waiting for them to come back in the red at a 20% so I can sell them. But I won't let them go. I'm holding them, holding them, holding them. All right? Now, according to the CEO and founder at the cryptocurrency-focused investment company BKLM LLC, Brian Kelly, while talking to CNBC, big traders and sellers have exited from the virtual currency space, leading to the drawdown of Bitcoin's price. However, due to Bitcoin's exchanging share of the overall virtual currency markets, Bitcoin's dominance in the crypto market area has increased. Why? Because people are leaving altcoins and going back into Bitcoin so they can ride this big wave of BTC up, and you can profit, especially if it's $7,000 right now. Just think if it goes to $60,000 by the end of the year, you'd be damn happy you bought some at $7,000, right? So many people are shady. They're like, oh, I don't know if I want to do that. It could go down to 5. I could lose my money. I could do this. I could do that. No, you have to look at the investments and the money that's coming in and the market cap. And as we see the confidence come back into the market, we're going to tip the scale from the bear cycle over to the bull cycle. And baby, you're going to want to be locked and loaded when that happens. Now, more investors exchange using BTC, the stronger it becomes. The last few weeks, it seems that the cryptocurrency dominance rate move up, signaling investors' confidence in the trading of cryptocurrencies. Just like I said, Pantera Capital announces a lifetime returns for more than 10,000%. All right. Now, if you guys ain't paying attention, Pantera Capital announces lifetime returns for more than 10,000%. Recently, major digital currency investment companies Pantera Capital disclosed to the world the mind-blowing return of more than 10,000% on its fund, launching the news during their 5th year anniversary. Pantera shocked the market's airwaves with the pro-announcement via email with their envious returns with the company, and still bullish on the Bitcoin and likely to continue investing in the number one currency in the market. It's Bitcoin, guys. That's why I'm telling you, man. This is what you see what these big companies are doing. They're not stupid. All right? They're not sitting down in front of a computer, listening to everybody out there. They're making the right moves for the next move in cryptocurrency. The next big move in crypto. Just don't get me wrong. You're going to see some coins blow up. I'm not saying that. But as the big move, $7,000 to $20,000, that's killer. You know what I'm saying? So get into the BTC, even at the fractional Satoshi level, so that you can benefit and your money can double, triple, quadruple as the bull cycle comes back. It's here. We're telling you. You can see these big companies jumping into it, and they're investing into the number one cryptocurrency in the market, which is what? BTC. So that's Crypto Famous's intellectual thought for today on that situation right there. All right, so now I think what we're going to do is I think we're going to go into the BTC. What do we got? Yeah, let's go ahead and do the BTC random generator. And let's go ahead. Oh, look at these guys, man. They got it on the TV screen today. They're up, man. You got to give a shout out to Ed. I want all the bosses out there to shout out to Ed for running the productions here, and Cameron and all the guys here in the studio. Man, you guys all kick ass. I just want to let you guys know that in cryptocurrency, you're doing this all for the better. And you know what? It's a big crew here, and you know what? We're gonna be moving into a bigger studio and doing some bigger things. And down on South Beach, Miami, Florida, looks like we're going to be opening up a studio 3 blocks off the beach. I got to be careful when I do that, though, because that is a topless beach down there, and I got to be careful whenever I'm broadcasting live on the streets down there. But I'm sure you guys wouldn't mind it, but we do have some females that do watch us, and we do respect the females out there. All right, so did we pick a winner here? Neo Enthusiast, you are the $100 BTC winner of today. We'll get that sent over to you right after the show. Congratulations on that. And I do want to say this is going to be the last week we do BTC giveaways. And I'm being told this by the accounting department that we want to see 1,000 subscribers. And when we get to 1,000 subscribers, we're going to give away $500 worth of BTC. That way, it's an incentive for you guys to share the video, help the community grow, do what you guys can do to help us, because we need the help. I mean, it's a small channel, 201. Congratulations to the 201 subscribers that we do have. You guys have found the right place to get your daily crypto news, and we're just starting. I mean, this network, the Bitcoin Radio Network, if you haven't been over there, go check it out. We got awesome music. There's some rap. There's some vulgar rap on there, but it's about Bitcoin. I think I might be taking that one out. It's kind of raunchy. But there's, country. We have a good variety for everybody set out there with the best commercials in cryptocurrencies, the production level that you're all looking for. So definitely take a look at that. And congratulations on that. And yeah, all right, crypto. So, hey, that doesn't mean we're going to stop doing giveaways. Just wait. We're going to be giving you guys tokens and all sorts of stuff from platforms that's going to do you guys good. So we might have a $100, $200 giveaway with a ICO that we're bringing on and doing a review with. And when we do that, they'll give away some tokens. We'll do like a caller number 9 wins 200 tokens. You guys can call in and win. So don't fear, man. We're going to have so many different types of giveaways that you're going to love the Bitcoin Radio Network. So make sure you tell your friends and family, share the video. If you like today's content, hit the like button, become a subscriber. And I hear this all the time, Famous, I never get you when you're live. You got to go over to the Bitcoin Radio Network, 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. It's live on that platform. And we will be live back on YouTube in the very short, I guess in the very near future, I guess it's a short time we have to be penalized for this, but we'll be back on there live. But hit that notification bell, and as soon as we upload that video, booyah, baby, you'll be notified. You can come over and be the first one to comment like a true boss, and that's what I want to see you guys. Bosses interact with us. They don't just come by Friday and Monday and Tuesday. You guys stay interacting with us here, and we want to see this channel grow. We want to see it to get thousands and thousands of likes and views and this and that. Why? Because that's showing the rest of the world that, look, cryptocurrency is for real. And this is real news. This isn't no fluff BS. This is real news showing everybody exactly what's going on in cryptocurrency. And we're not controlled by any financial source besides me. I own them all, and therefore I'm going to give it to you guys the truth. I own every one of the companies that I'm involved with in cryptocurrency. So therefore, you're going to get it direct. All right, cryptocurrencies, insurance could be the big industry future. What do we got? We've only got like 4 minutes left. Cryptocurrencies, so I'm just going to touch bases on these and kind of run through them. As cryptocurrency markets mature, they are attracting players from other industries. Insurance industry is one of them. Hello, we just talked about movies. Now we're talking about insurance. You see, this is why it's important, not for you, not for the regular listeners, because I know you guys come by daily, but this is for your friends and your family that don't understand crypto. Bring them over here. I lay it out on layman terms, and in our news proves and backs up what we're doing, and it'll legitimize your comment and you're arguing with them about the Bitcoin and why it's so important to get invested. I know you all talk about it with your friends and family, so let's get them over here watching the broadcast so that they can get more information. According to a Bloomberg report, cryptocurrency insurance is posed to become a major big opportunity. A spokesman from Alliance, one of the world's biggest insurers, told the news publication that the company was exploring the product coverage opinions in the space because the cryptocurrencies were becoming more prevalent and significant and prevalent in a real economy. All right, check it out. That article's over at the Bitcoin Radio Network.io. You can get that over there. Uh-oh, what happened? We lose them all? All right, there we go. All right, Ethereum, sorry, there we got lost on our teleprompter. Ethereum creator mass adoption matters more than cryptocurrency ETFs. This is what I was talking about. The adoption that's going on is more important than the ETFs. I mean, there's a lot of talk about this ETFs, and that's what I'm trying to get across to you guys, that the ETFs are just a faction. The Ethereum co-founder, Buterin Vitalik, believes that the cryptocurrency community focused too much on the ETFs rather than making the cryptocurrency easier to use as a method of payments for everyday transactions. Via payment cards, according to the relevant tweet, in the ETF will benefit cryptocurrency prices. Now he believes, but making it easier for people to use will do more for the mass adoption. And that's what we've been saying here. That's what we're telling you. Okay, on to the next one here. We've got a very short period of time. Alpha Point helps launch XRP-based cryptocurrency exchange. So we got the cryptocurrency service firm Alpha Point is powering a new decentralized exchange company announced Monday. You can get that over at the Bitcoin Radio Network.io. Cryptocurrency in football, a match made in financial heaven. We're seeing the football teams get involved with this, whether it's the former footballers club or the legends, that even salary payments, cryptocurrency in football currently have interesting partnerships since the corporation and the commercialization of football over the last 30 years. The financial gains from the game have been gargantuous, and which fits in hand with the recent growth of crypto. And it only makes sense that the cryptocurrency and football forge alliance is moving forward into the brave new economic landscape. Do you hear me, people? This is all brave and new economic landscape, and they're getting ready for the big event to take place. All right, let's go over here to this last article real quick. Oh, that is the last one. All right, well, there you have it. So that's the news today, and that's pretty cool. So All right, well, we'll be right back after this little switch over. All right, see, right back here. We're going to close the show out. We'll get some music with that little changeover so it sounds better for you guys tomorrow, so it isn't so blah. Hey, I want to appreciate each and every one of you guys. I want to personally thank you for taking time out of your busy schedules and days and away from your families and doing what you do to get caught up on cryptocurrency news right here at the Bitcoin Radio Network and BNN, the Bitcoin News Network, a Media 1-3 production. And big ups to all the crew here at the network for all the hard work and the partnerships that we have. Sharedrops.io. You can check them out. New York Coin as well. Blockchain Malta, a Summit. There's so many more advancements happening. I just don't even know them all right now. But I will see you guys back tomorrow at 6 p.m. Don't forget to leave a comment, hit the like button, and share this. Until then, stay classy, baby.
The opinions expressed on the radio or video program by the host or co-host, guests, and call-in listeners or chatters are solely their opinions.